I want to introduce addition and subtraction with regards to fractions. And for this introductory video, I'm only going to focus on problems, exercises where the denominators are equal, where they're the same. So to start, remember my suggested model, one of the suggested ways that you can think about fractions. And you could one of the suggested ways is to consider pizza slices. Okay, and so what we want to try to make sense of is this problem. Suppose that I had 1/6 and I wanted to add to that 2/6. What in the world does that mean? All right. So, well, let's think about this. So 1/6, that's one. That means if you divide a pizza into 6 pieces, it's one of those pizza slices. So we have 1, and then let's say somebody gave us 2 more. So now let me shade what we have in blue. So it should be clear that we have 3 pieces, right? So and they're all the same size. So the answer is 3/6, which can be reduced to 1/2 by dividing the top and bottom by 3. And you can see from the picture that indeed we do have half a pizza, don't we? Okay? Now, that's my image to think about fraction addition when the size of the pizza slices are the same. In other words, where the denominator is the same. Now, let's say that we had this problem. Let's say we had 3/6 minus 1/6. All right, so apparently in this case we have 3 pizzas, 3 slices, so the 3 blue slices I have right now, and we either ate one or lost one, but somehow we got one of them went away. So let's get rid of one of our 3 slices. So I will remove the blue coloring from one of them. And so it should be clear that we have that we have 2 pizzas left. So 2/6, which can be reduced to 1/3 by dividing the top and bottom by 2. And it should be clear from the picture that indeed those 2 blue pieces make up 1/3 of the entire pizza. All right, so I hope you can see that fraction, addition, and subtraction, you're mainly focused on the top numbers, the numerators. Okay, for the first one, the numerators were 1 and 2. Notice for the answer, I simply added 1 plus 2 together to get the new numerator. And then on the bottom, I had a subtraction, I had a difference. So notice the numerators of 3 and 1 were involved in a difference, 3 minus 1, and that gave the numerator of the answer, which was 2. Okay? And the bottom just comes along for the ride. It doesn't change. And you'll see this same pattern for all fraction, addition, and subtraction with regards to equal denominators. So let's do some exercises now. And let's see if you can get the right answer, shall we? So what if I had 2/5 plus 2/5? What would that be? And by the way, on these, try to reduce your answers as much as possible if you can. If you get the answer without reducing, that's nice, but if you reduce it as well, that's extra nice. Let's say. All right, so pause the video and try to do these, and I'll do them shortly. Okay, so the answer, first answer is 4/5. Second one is 6/10, which reduces to 3/5. The last one is 4/4, which reduces to 1. And let's do some subtraction now. All right, pause the video, try these if you want. I'll go ahead and tell you the answer now. For the first one, 3 over 11 because 10 minus 7 is 3. Next one, 3 over 15 because 5 minus 2 is 3. Reduces to 1/5. And for the last one, 1 over 7.